The theme for today's video is gratitude. Why? Because
Snatch my food. It's going to be the festival. पनीर मिलता है और क्या चाहिए बेटा कब से बुला रहे थे Why don't you just come on time?
Hello ladies and gentlemen, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. Well, today is a very different video. Like मैंने इसके पहले ऐसे वीडियो कभी नहीं बनाया.
the theme for today's video is gratitude. Why? Because in this video you will see that I had been to Govardhan Eco Village, that is GEV, which is in Wada, like near Palghar, to attend Festival of Gratitude. It's a function, it is 75th birthday of His Holiness Radhanath Swami Maharaj. He is a globally known personality. He's known for many things, but one of the things he's known for is expressing gratitude. Expressing gratitude for very simple and smallest thing. So he's the person not only says it but lives by the word gratitude. And that is why his birthday is celebrated as Festival of Gratitude. And I must tell, every time I visit that festival or the function, I become so humbled.
Like जो पैर हवे में होते हैं वो सीधा ज़मीन पे आ जाते हैं. Yeah. Okay, I'll speak about me. I aware of gratitude, like what it means is like being kind and thankfulness or appreciating people.
Or great experiences in your life. But not many of us consciously practice gratitude. I did not few years before, but now I do, really do. So today, no, I feel every day is about being grateful. We do take certain things for granted. It's like ये होगा ही मेरे. For example, simplest to simplest thing would be taking as food.
Certain class of people who are blessed to have food every day and whenever we want. तो consciously we think कि मुझे तो खाना मिलेगा ही, like so what? Or even when we speak of another thing is support from a family or for decisions that we take in our life, but that's not the case for everyone, right? So things that we easily get or things that we don't need to fight, we usually take a bit granted.
और थोड़े लोग होते हैं girls as well as boys को घर में support नहीं मिलता and they want to do something in life but they are not supported.
Or even having the greatest asset, that is health, or able to even walk. Certain things that we sometimes overlook, that it's normal, but it's not normal.
Take a pause and hear me out. There is 15% off on customized canvas portrait that I sell on my October Bliss page on Instagram. If you want your beautiful photos to be captured in the color of splash on the canvas, do DM me. I have linked the page below down in the description box, and October Bliss is shipping worldwide. It's at october.bliss.
So these are the things that I was really grateful for. Able to eat healthy food. So there's a philosopher, Ralph Waldo Emerson, who says that food is the base of our health. And not everyone has the privilege to eat good or enough food. It did not mean that I'm grateful for this, like not at all.
मम्मी स्वतः करून घ्यायचं होतं ना त्यांना Do not snatch my food. Understand? You better understand. Told you me. Wait, I'm speaking.
So I'm certainly told that, oh, you travel a lot.
You travel so much, you go to these all places. So the second thing is, I'm very grateful that I'm able to travel to very beautiful places that I want to.
Traveling comfortably, peacefully is a blessing. And the place that I've been in this video, the GEV, is one of the most beautiful places.
Just beyond the concept of resort, it is in just middle of the Sahyadri range. If you look around, it's all huge mountains.
Dense forest around, just so divine and spiritual. Literally every other important temple from Vrindavan and Barsana is being made in that GEV. There is Parikrama Marg also of Govardhan. Wow.
And I love road trips. And I'm very, very, very glad that even my family loves road trips.
So also I'm very grateful that I get to do that. I am able to be in beautiful nature around.
Of course, this is not a thing that everyone might relate to or even think कि ये क्या बात कर रही है भाई. Whoever loves nature would agree to me that it's blessing to be within the nature.
For example, I stay away from city,
between the mountains and beautiful trees around, and which I'm very grateful for. I literally love that I'm able to go to trekking, maybe the smallest mountain, or even able to see different creatures, able to see sunset and sunrise.
Many people who, due to their heavy work, or no work-life balance. They do not get to do what they want to do. Like बहुत लोगों को they want to travel out, they want to go, not able to do, but I am able to do, or certain people are able to do. It's like, I think we should be very, very grateful for that.
Someone out there is already praying for the life that we already have.
Able to be with people that you like or love spending time with. Like I agree, थोड़े लोग ऐसे होते हैं कि कभी कभी आपको सहन नहीं होते. मेरे को तो थोड़े लोग सहन नहीं होते. Right. We should be good to everyone, but sometimes I feel you should be mean to mean people. It's about creating memories with them. It's like when we grow up and when we look back, glad we have those memories and we recall and we laugh like anything. And also, like, to document it, it's the best way.
It's like you can just rewatch, revisit 10 years back, 5 years back.
And I am very grateful for that.
Oh no. How many just two? Give me 4 spoons. 4 spoons.
English, plural. सैंडविच कर देना सैंडविच ए हम भी है
थोड़ा सा मुझे 3 fall.
बरोबर आहे की
हा बरोबर आहे की मी कुठे नाही म्हणतो
कशाला
आता थांबव मी मारणार.
Yeah, that is what I wanted to say. Even if one person could relate to this, I have done a very good job. That is what I feel.
Just wanted to give a glimpse of what the Festival of Gratitude is. You can have a watch.
Program is at 4:30, so we thought, oh, we have reached like 4 hours early. It's 12:30, and look at this. There is so much of crowd already. थर्माकोल के गाय बनाए हुए हैं एंड दे हैव लिटरली केप्ट एवरीवन्स नेम. अब इसका नाम है वत्सला मंजरी और धन वृषभ गीता धेनु.
Represent indirect way of connecting to people, wherein they eat inside to the house against fellow devotees and preaching activities.
Pre-COVID, we used to get 1,000, 2,000 people a month. But post-COVID, the Madan Mohan ji got installed, things started changing. In 2024, we got 1 million visitors here to Govardhan Eco Village.
आपको कब से बुला रहे थे? Why don't you just come on time? Why? Late तेरे को ही होएगा कल. Dinner was yum. The food is especially the best. पनीर मिलता है और क्या चाहिए?
Okay, bye. Thank you.